can see it will add another keyframe to adjust to that. Make it look like this. And then if we go here, play, Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can move images on CapCut PC. Now, to be able to move images on CapCut PC is quite simple and it won't really take you that long. So moving images on CapCut requires you to understand keyframes. So keyframes are basically these little circles, so like things that you add on a layer on a video in order to create an animation. Basically just from the word frame, right? It's basically an animation. So that's what we're gonna do today. But before that, I want to talk to you and tell you that by default the CapCut resolution should be 1920 to 1080. But if you do drag a photo here, it will adapt to that photo size instead, and therefore the first photo that you put will be the staging ground for the rest of the project. So if you want to start with just 1920 to 1080, which is the default, you just add text maybe. So as you can see, it has already set to 1920 to 1080. So I can add some text here. Haha, hehehe. It's not really important. Let's go back to our import and add the photos that we need. And as you can see, it's now not the resolution of the photo. Now we can the resolution of the project, and we can adjust this to fit the size of the resolution just like that. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do now is teach you how to move this. So that is pretty simple. Let's say we want to put some animation to this to go from left to right? So we can start from there, and then what we just need to do is to go over here to position. So if you look here, transform, scale, position, rotate, there are these diamonds to the right. These are keyframes, and these are important. I want you to focus on this as we go through the video. Okay, so I want you to focus on these keyframes to the right. So we just need to add a keyframe. As you can see, if you hover your cursor to these diamonds, you will see that it says add keyframe, and that's what we're going to do. So here on position, we just need to click on add keyframe, and then we go here to the last part of the video, and then we move the image, right? So that we can, that's it. You are adjusting the position. And as you can see, it has automatically added a keyframe here. So if we go back to the beginning and we play the video, it will move. So it has added that animation. So that's the point of keyframe. Another example is you can zoom in and zoom out. Let's remove these keyframes first by clicking on it and then click delete. And then we can focus on a scale. Let's go and zoom in, then add a keyframe, and then move into the a part of the video that you want, or maybe the end, and then you zoom out. And as you can see, it will add another keyframe to adjust to that. Make it look like this, and then if we go here, play, it will zoom out to the part that you have set. That's it. That is how you can move photos on CapCut PC that is how you can move photos simply on CapCut PC. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.